Hey friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. I'm so glad you're here because today is a very special video. Today I'm sharing a sweet little paper crafting project I've been working on. I'm also holding a giveaway of this beautiful Shabby Chic paper pack and pocket envelopes that I made to get you started on your journal projects. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Scrapbook paper, pastel bows, shabby flowers, your art glows.
For this week's project, I decided to use our Shabby Chic Roses scrapbook paper pack. From dainty roses to antique and shabby-licious baskets, our newest paper collection is giving full-on shabby chic heirloom vibes. This paper collection is perfect for swaps, layering, ATCs, handmade cards, and all your shabby chic-inspired daydreams. I decided to use this beautiful paper pack in some handmade pocket envelopes. I used my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to create them. I also embellished these adorable envelopes using items from my store and my private craft stash. I think these envelopes are great for journal pockets and even for standalone swaps. And if you're looking for unique paper collections and embellishments for your own projects, I have supplies available in my shop. My paper collections you won't find anywhere else. You can find all the links to my shop, blog, and Facebook group down below in the description box. Oh, and before I forget, you may check out my giveaway details in the description area below. I hope this inspires you to break out your craft supplies and get creative with your paper pads, cardstock, and embellishments. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And as always, keep crafting, keep smiling, keep spreading the love, and let's make something beautiful. I hope you have a blessed week.
Decorate your life with us.